Good afternoon, dear students. So, today we will learn how to apply cascading style sheets to our HTML document or how to decorate our web pages. For this, we have to open the notepad. Open the notepad. Now, first we will learn inline cascading style sheets. Inline cascading style sheets are used to apply formatting on single line. Now on the web page, so many lines are there. Now with the help of inline, we can decorate only one line. This is the code for your inline. First, we start with doc type HTML, then HTML tag, head tag, title tag. In title tag, we will give the title of the web page, then close it, then body tag. In body tag, we have to write this inline cascading method. First is H1 tag. Now this is the syntax. First we will apply the style, then its color, that is your property, and blue is the value. Now what will happen? This particular formatting will be applied to this line. Second formatting will be applied to this line. Now we will save it. How to save? First we click on the file tab, then save. Then inline css.html. Now save it. Now your inline cascading style sheet in Notepad is ready. Now we will open the web browser. Open the web browser. From here, search the file name, that is inline css.html, and see only one line is formatted. See here, first we have given the blue color and second line we have given the pink color. So here the first heading is of blue color and second heading is of pink color. So in this way we apply formatting to only one line. Next we will learn how to use internal cascading style sheet. Again we open the notepad and then we write the code for the internal cascading style sheet. What is there? In internal cascading style sheet, we have to apply, we will write the code within your head tag. This code we will write within the head tag. Now, internal method is used to decorate if we want to apply formatting to a single page or a single document. For this, we will apply the style in the head tag. This is the coding. Now what will happen? First we have this written body background color green and color white. So what does it go? All the pages that are on the web page, its background color is green and text color is of white. Now next is H1. We have used here H1 tag and heading background color is blue. And after this we have decided the font size for the paragraph. If we are writing any paragraph, then its font size will be 28. Then we will close the style tag. Then within the body tag we will write this heading tag and paragraph tag. In heading tag, we have written this statement and this is your paragraph tag. Again, after this, we will save it. How to save? Again, click on the file tag. Then write, give it a name, internal cascading css.html, and then save it. Now again, open the web browser, Ctrl O. From here, search the file, that is your internal css.html. Now see, the web page color is green. Here we have written background color is green and text color will be white. So see, the background color is green and text color is white. Now again, heading background color is blue. Heading background color, there is a heading, this one is heading, so its background color is blue. And see, the paragraph font size is 28, and in paragraph we have written this hello, so its font size is 28. In this way, we apply internal cascading style sheet to our HTML document. Now suppose we will change the color. It's green. Now we will change the color red, and here we will change white to yellow, and after this Ctrl S and then refresh. See, your web page color is changed. So in this way we apply different styles to our documents, and we can change the look of the web pages.